Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on choosing which iPhone apps send notifications to your watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your iPhone, open up the Watch app. Tap Notifications. For apps made by Apple such as Activity and Clock, you can customize what type of notifications you get from that app. If you scroll down further, you'll get to the list of third-party apps installed on your iPhone. Here you can enable or disable notifications for any app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.